Намасте, намашкар, доброй раницы, доброе утро всем. Dear friends, Under-Secretary of the Government of Maharashtra, Mr. Avinash Salvat, friends, colleagues, dear Indian and Belarusian friends, I welcome everyone at this forum, first in the history, I believe, in the bilateral relations between Belarus and India, at least in Mumbai. I welcome everyone here in this hall. I'm very glad that such a big event is happening these days in Mumbai. Quite big delegation from Belarus came for this event, more than 20 people, around 20 companies. A lot of Indian friends have been registered for this event. And it gives me a great pleasure to understand the capacities of our forum today. Bilateral relations between India and Belarus were established in 1992. So next year we are going to celebrate 35th anniversary of our diplomatic relations. In 1992, Indian Embassy was established in Belarus, and in 1998, Belarusian embassy was established in New Delhi. After around 35 years, we have passed quite long and interesting history. India is known to Belarus not during these last 35 years. This is the relations which go much deeper. All of us remember Indian culture, Indian civilization. Every child in Belarus at the secondary school, they know what is India about. What about the chess? What about yoga? What about Indian cinema? For us, for Belarus, India is a strategic partner, is a very important partner, and for us, India is a very friendly country. And I believe that this forum today will contribute to the spectrum of our friendly relations for many, many years ahead. I believe that the trade is one of the basement of the bilateral relations. We also develop our relations not only in trade, but also in culture, in politics, in education, in health, everywhere. Each and every track is very interesting to us. Dear Indian friends, thank you very much for coming, and all of you are most welcome in Belarus. Please come to our consulate or to the Embassy of Belarus in New Delhi for any conversation, useful conversations. Please welcome to Belarus. All of you are most welcome to visit our beautiful country. I'm very grateful to our Belarusian delegation to have arrived to such a great forum and to the city of Mumbai. As a Consul General, we have to put every effort to develop our interregional relations. So I believe this forum will also contribute to this kind of efforts. So again, thank you very much for coming. I wish you all of you success and fruitful negotiations and sessions today. Thank you so much. Dhanyavad. Спасибо большое. Спасибо большое, друзья, что приехали сегодня на это мероприятие. Я очень рад, вас поздравляю. Спасибо. Dhanyavad. Спасибо, дякую.